Information is everywhere. You just need to transform it into knowledge. Imagine you are a retailer and you want to identify hidden sales performance drivers. Not after the next analysts meeting, not after a long night of studying reports, but right now. Imagine you're in healthcare and you could do your genome analysis 216 times faster than before. Wouldn't your insights be much deeper and your decisions much better? Imagine your company's sales department not only knows what happened, but also why, how, and what will happen next. No longer sense and respond, but predict and act. There's a simple magic behind the power of prediction: predictive analytics powered by SAP HANA. Predictive analytics with SAP HANA combines the depth and speed of in-memory analytics with the power of native predictive algorithms. Together with SAP Predictive Analysis for visualization, R's extensive library of statistical and data mining techniques, and the SAP HANA Predictive Analytic Library, you get everything you need to predict the future in real time. You'll be pleased to know that using SAP HANA for predictive analytics is also easy. Analysts use a drag-and-drop visual interface for data selection, preparation, and processing. They create models by using native predictive algorithms as well as algorithms from R. So it's not only for the experts. With SAP Business Objects Business Intelligence integration, you can unlock predictive insights for every user and every line of business. Say goodbye to complicated, hard-to-reach, and boring interfaces. Analytics has just become beautiful. And the stunning and advanced visualizations really help to reveal valuable hidden insights. And please don't worry if not all your data is stored in an SAP system. You can use predictive analytics solutions from SAP to access structured and unstructured data from any source you want, whether enterprise systems, data warehouses and data marts, spreadsheets, or Hadoop environments. Use SAP HANA for predictive analytics to really transform your business. Like Cisco Systems Incorporated, which creates seasonality and cluster analysis across multiple quarters in only seconds to ultimately drive higher profitability and growth. Like Mitsui Knowledge Industry, which uses SAP Predictive Analytics to provide a one-stop shop for genomic data analysis of cancer patients and support personalized therapeutics. Transform your business like game developer BigPoint, which gets real-time insights into customer behavior and increase their revenue by up to 30%. Uncover hidden customer, employee, vendor, and partner trends. Anticipate behavior and take proactive action. Empower your team with intelligent next steps to exceed customer expectations. Develop and execute a customer-centric strategy. Create new products. Identify and forecast alternative business scenarios. Everything is imaginable with predictive analytics from SAP.